Getting your team set up on Carbon Voice is super easy. The best way to do that is to create a workspace for the team. And there's a few values of the workspace. One is that you have a directory that becomes really easy to find the other people within the team. So it's very fast to find each other as a team. You can also find conversations that might be public to everyone in the team. And so you can have shared conversations. The other advantage is if someone leaves the team, they then lose access automatically by removing them from the workspace to all conversations that are part of the team. So you can immediately control who has access. And if someone joins the team, they of course can use that directory to find their new teammates and be able to message them and join the public conversations within the workspace. Of course, if you want the team to have access to premium features, you can do that in a centralized billing way, so everyone gets the premium capabilities. And there's some more values around customer retention policies and other things that are common to team setups. So creating a team workspace is super easy. You just create a workspace. I'll show you how to do that. You add team members to it, and then you can create some starter conversations. So let me show you how to do that real quick. So this is a brand new account. Maybe you have some conversations that you've started as part of initially testing, but you just come down right here in the lower right, you hit spaces, and then hit create. And this is just explaining what a workspace does, and you can tap next, and then you just name your workspace. And you can add an icon for the workspace or do that later. The advantage of doing it now is that anyone added to the workspace will see this in the email coming to them. So now my workspace is created. I can now add people. I can do that in one of two ways. I can create a link that I can send in an email or post into a Notion document or share an iMessage, or I can directly add people, and that's going to be the best way to get everyone up and running very quickly. With this, if I've already talking with people, I can add them here. If you're on your mobile phone, you can access your address book there. Or if you have, let's say, a list of people in your company you want to add very quickly, you can do that right here. You can paste in a comment separated list. And let me show you a quick way to do that. This is just Google Sheets. Here I have a list of email addresses, let's say I've added here. And this is a quick little formula that will get you a comma-separated list. So this is text join. You put the quote commas here. That's what's going to separate the list. True says skip empty space, and then I've got the range here. So this is the range I've selected, A2 through the rest of A. And so that gives you a quick little formula that creates that comma-separated list. So I can add in here, and you'll see it just automatically gets added right there at the end, or removed. So if you have your contact list, you can just paste them all in here and then grab this list. I'm going to then copy this out, and I will paste that right in here, hit space, and you will notice it recognizes all of them, converts them into addresses, and then I just hit done. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel right now because I don't want to add those to these. And then hit next to go to the next step. And at this step, I can create conversations for that workspace. And these are going to be the public conversations I want to add everyone to it. Let's say I don't need a fun channel, but I want to have a sales progress channel. I can just create that real quick. You can add more right down below here and then hit create. And now it's going to create those conversations. And here I am. I can go look in here. I see all these conversations created. I can come in and decide that I want to adjust who is in it. Of course, I've only created one person, but I can add some more people. In this list, if I did have some people in here, I can change the role of do they have access to it or not. Maybe I want to remove someone out of it. But here's my list of conversations. I can also quickly set their icons of those conversations. And now I can go back to the home. All my conversations are here. And I can send a quick message to this conversation. I'm going to go ahead and give microphone access and record a quick message. This is my first message into the sales update. And now everyone there will have this message. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can go to help right here and just say get support or share feedback, or you can access the help documents right here. Thank you.